Ever wonder what it's like to live in the 1800s? Our family got a taste of it at Spring Mill State Park's Pioneer Village. With help from our friends at DMS Adventures, we explored this historic village, which dates back to 1814. It was once a busy stop for stagecoaches before railroads changed everything. Today, it's been beautifully restored with 20 historic buildings, a massive grist mill from 1817, and costume interpreters bringing history to life. If your family loves hands-on experiences, this is a must visit. Previously on Santos Chronicles, not sure if this big box gave it away, but our family's not really much of a camping family. But at least this tent was super easy to put up.
There's Rosalie. She's passed out after playing so hard last night. We weren't sure we were going to survive today, but we did it. So, almost time for breakfast.
Sleeping in the tent actually really wasn't that bad. I think next time we go, and I said next time because it was actually kind of cool. I think if we get like a little blow-up mattress that would fit in there, I think that'd be perfect.
I'm not used to hearing nature while we're sleeping. That was birds chirping, crickets, people rustling and bustling.
To Rosalie's credit, it was her idea, right?
It was her idea. Yeah, we were very skeptical on this. Mark, we survived.
You did. You didn't just survive, Carl. You thrived.
Yes.
While we were here, the one thing that Mark was very excited to show us was Pioneer Village.
Last time we hung out with these guys, it was snowing.
It was so cold.
So this is so much better. Blue skies, good weather.
We're going to a pioneer village here at Spring Mill State Park.
So what's the big thing at this place? Because this parking was pretty big over there.
It's an entire pioneer village. So there is a working grist mill with a big water wheel.
Ooh.
Unfortunately, though, it's actually under repair right now. Normally, it's working.
Oh.
Then there's several different cabins with multiple different, there's a blacksmith shop, there's a tanner, and if we're lucky, some of those people may actually be working today.
Oh, so it's like a living history.
Kind of, yes.
This lady right here asked us to look for her son Willie to make sure he's not slacking. We told her, sure, we're going to be going around the village anyway.
There's a very large loom inside this cabin where might actually be a lady in there making a rug.
Ooh. And does that mean you and I will cut the rug?
No.
Over there?
No. That's Carl's job.
The loom was built in 1800 by George Sheets. And it was built with hand tools by George Sheets as a wedding gift for his bride.
This gave me the feeling of New Salem, Illinois, where Lincoln's from. It's a lot of old houses, and basically they have folks who can talk about the places that's there.
So up here, this is their refrigerator. Springhouse.
So when they do that, do they put salt, or do they still?
That's different. There's a spring somewhere that feeds this,
Okay.
and that's
It just keeps it cooler,
right.
similar to the root how like.
It's like the refrigerator.
Melissa, if we don't fit in the tent, we can stay here.
Oh, no, I'm not.
It's a
Bunk bed. Rosalie gets the bottom.
I'm not getting on that bottom.
All right, anybody see Willie? I don't think he's over here. And the kids are a little bit distracted.
As you can tell, we are just following the leader here.
Yeah, when Mr. and I were here, the water was up probably to this or just underneath these rocks here. Like I said, was it the axle? Something is broke on it, and they're waiting for the part.
Aren't you an engineer? Can you just go in there and?
Go fix it for them? Sure.
Yes.
No problem.
Look how huge this thing is.
I don't know. There's nothing there.
They use that.
It's broken right now, but they're constructing it, so it'll start working.
But that's the main flume that runs the wheel, and then there's a side flume over here where the water runs down, and it runs the saw.
I'm going to sit.
Oh, it runs the saw?
Yeah, it's just like a massive bandsaw. If you come to the side of it, that's the blade. And when it's in operation, that thing just moves really slow up and down, but it'll just saw right through the logs.
This grist mill right here was built in 1817. It was used for grinding corn into meal, but was abandoned by the 1890s. In 1928, the land was donated to the state, and they've worked hard to restore and maintain the mill over the years. Once it's fixed and running, you can see the mill in action from spring through fall. It grinds 25 to 30 pounds of cornmeal in just 5 minutes, and they even sell the fresh cornmeal to visitors.
Hey, look at these shoes, Rosalie. Will you fit in there?
It's a little chair that I can't even fit on. Why is that?
You'd fit in that chair.
No, I cannot.
Yeah, that is kind of a small chair, isn't it?
And why is that tiny bowl and tiny glass?
Hey, look, this is how they went farming before, Rosalie. This doctor's chair.
It looks like a
They can give you shots here. Can you imagine getting a shot?
I'd rather stay away from 1800s, but
They'd be like, just chop it off.
really cool. Want some money? Why is the big leaves in there? Want some money?
there used to be a stagecoach pass that would actually go from Louisville to Terre Haute. They would come by here,
Oh,
and this is where they would stay. It was the inn, so they could eat. There was a place to store the wagons further down.
So people would take a stagecoach from Louisville to up here?
Terre Haute, and this is on the way, apparently.
Oh, to Terre Haute.
Correct.
I got a new goal of getting 10,000 steps a day. We are right now at 4,912. It's a lot of fun being able to just walk around here with the family and check out all these cool historical sites. This is where you make your business cards?
I don't remember what that tool is called. Mom, when are we gonna put
So we're gonna go to the gardens right now.
Not too far from the mill, you'll find this beautiful historic garden growing the same kind of herbs, flowers, and vegetables that the early settlers would have used.
A root cellar. Oh, I get it. This is the way to keep the food at the table all year round. Ugh, didn't realize that even meats.
And one of the last places we went to was the meeting house, and we still didn't see Willie. But anyways, well, time to head back. Wait, hold on. Hey, that's actually Willie. And he ended up telling us to tell his mom that he was okay and not slacking.
We found Willie at the meeting house.
You found Willie? Oh, it makes me so happy. I don't have to worry anymore.
You don't.
Let me give you a token of my appreciation.
Oh, winner.
Of my appreciation. Thank you so much for finding him.
Thank you.
You found him. Good job. Thank you.
Yes.
Well, I told you he was a good boy.
He was supposed to.
He was not slacking at all.
Yes. He was
He's working hard.
Thank you.
Click the video link right here to see us go to the world's largest ball of paint.